Hello and welcome to this guide on how to clear the cache on the SoundCloud app using your Android phone. If your app feels slow or isn't working properly, clearing the cache can help improve its performance. Let's walk through the process together so you can get everything running smoothly. Open the SoundCloud app on your Android device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Library. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the Settings icon. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and tap on Basic Settings. In the Basic Settings menu, select Clear Application Cache. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Yes to confirm and clear the cache. Wait a few seconds while the app clears the cache data. That's it. Your SoundCloud app should now perform more efficiently. Thanks for watching. Clearing your cache is a quick way to boost app performance. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more useful tutorials.